Hey there guys, this is going to be a how to remove corrosion from battery terminals, aka mainly battery acid here. One day at work my truck wouldn't start, and as I found out, these terminals are fused to this, because I tried taking the battery terminals loose and I wouldn't come loose. The battery terminal ends wouldn't come loose from the battery. But anyways, probably by the time you watch this, you probably already read the title, and it'll be how to remove corrosion from battery terminals with Coca-Cola. My grandpa actually showed me how to do this, and it does actually work, believe it or not. Basically, I do recommend you take a swig of Coca-Cola beforehand before you waste it all. Seems to be Coca-Cola. So, next thing we'll do is we'll just pour some on the terminals. Alright, see it eating it there? We'll eat the rust off your battery terminal, or your battery battery tray too. We're going to try and do this before it rains. Definitely seems to be fizzifying. And also, another thing I noticed here is my headlight bulb was loose on this side. My bulb was loose here. Check my truck over for another week of driving to work here. My brake fluid is a touch low, so I got a little bit of brake fluid leaking out somewhere. I don't know where it's leaking out at. Must be leaking out of the master cylinder. There's a brake booster there. Maybe this will be a wee bit of how to. You can see it's eating that. And what you should do is put a little bit of protectant on these too after you're done eating your corrosion off. I might get an old screwdriver or something and pick that little bit out with a positive terminal there. Believe me, it's just a Coca-Cola, guys. Just Coca-Cola. Works great for this. Put a little bit more than the negative one. It'll all just kind of evaporate and stuff. I mean, it's not really corrosive. It's Coca-Cola. I mean, it is a little bit corrosive, but not totally corrosive, if you know what I mean. Now, just to show you I really haven't done anything or ruined this battery in any way, I am going to try and start this thing. I just drove it over here, but it acted up this morning with me at Sheets. Oh shit, this is gonna be loud. Oh, phew, got it. There you go, it's dissolving now. So anyways, there's a how-to on that. And I'm going to check my truck over here. I ran about two or three tanks of fuel through it, driving it to work, and I just filled it back up. It's only got 2 miles on it. Well, 2.6 miles. Woo, like a whole 2.5 miles on it since I drove it home from the gas station. And I checked this morning, it does not use any oil. It does use power steering oil. Antifreeze was good in it. and it appears it uses a touch of brake fluid. Like I said, I think my booster's going bad. What it looks like. It doesn't act like it, but should probably fix that. Yeah, I can hear my power steering pump whining there. So anyways guys, hopefully I got the colors fixed on the camera here. It looks like it does in real life. The sun went in and it's kind of cloudy. Hopefully you can see. I think there's a chance of rain today on Easter. So anyways, if I get this put up today, guys, happy Easter. I think I said it yesterday in my video, but if I don't, well, hopefully you had a happy Easter. Me, I'm just doing some maintenance and using the Yanmar. I just had the Bronco out. I was pulling a stump. So anyways, I made this an extra long video for some reason, and I'll see everybody later. Focus, sucker. There we go. Jeez, oh man.